In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to blend a picture with a background in Adobe Photoshop so you can create seamless composites and professional-looking designs every single time. Whether you're working on a digital art piece, a marketing banner, or just trying to put a friend into a new scene, mastering the art of blending is one of the most fundamental skills you can have in photo editing. If you have ever struggled with harsh edges or images that just look like they were poorly cut out and pasted on top of a random photo, this tutorial is for you. We are going to cover everything from the initial placement to technical masking and color matching to ensure your final result looks 100% natural. If this video helps you out with your creative projects, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel grow and stay updated with our latest design tutorials. All right, let us jump straight into Photoshop and get started. The first thing you need to do is prepare your workspace with the background image you want to use. Once you have your background open, we need to bring in the foreground element. Go up to the top menu and select File, then choose Place Embedded. This method is better than simply copying and pasting because it brings the image in as a smart object, which preserves the original quality of the pixels as you resize it. Navigate to your file, select it, and hit Place. You will see a transform box appear around your image. Use the corner handles to scale the picture up or down and position it roughly where you want it to sit on the background. Don't worry about the edges yet, we just want the placement to feel right in terms of perspective. Once you are happy with the size, hit Enter to commit the changes. Now that we have our image in place, you will notice the edges look very sharp and disconnected from the texture of the background. To fix this, we are going to use a non-destructive editing technique. Go to your Layers panel on the right-hand side of the screen and make sure your new image layer is selected. Look at the bottom of the Layers panel for a small rectangular icon with a circle in the middle. This is the Add Layer Mask button. Click it and you will see a white thumbnail appear next to your image layer. This white mask represents visibility. Whatever is white is visible, and whatever we paint black will become hidden. This is much better than using the eraser tool because we can always bring back the pixels if we make a mistake. Next, we need to select our tool for blending. Press the B key on your keyboard to quickly select the brush tool. Before you start painting, look at the brush settings at the top of the interface. It is crucial for a smooth blend that you use a soft round brush. Set the hardness to 0%. A soft brush creates a feathered edge that allows the background to slowly transition into the foreground image, which mimics how the human eye and camera lenses perceive depth. Now, make sure your foreground color is set to black. You can press D on your keyboard to reset your colors to the default black and white, and then X to toggle them if needed. With black selected as your brush color, start gently painting on the layer mask around the edges of your image. You will see those harsh, sharp lines start to disappear as the background begins to show through. Take your time with this step. If you find the blend is too aggressive, you can lower the opacity of your brush to around 20 or 30% at the top of the screen. This allows you to build up the blend gradually, stroke by stroke, which results in a much more realistic transition. Focus on areas where the lighting might naturally fall off or where textures meet. If you accidentally hide too much of your subject, simply switch your brush color back to white and paint over the area to restore it. This flexibility is the power of masking. Once your edges are looking smooth, we need to address the most common reason why blends look fake: color mismatch. Even with perfect masking, if your subject was shot in a warm studio and your background is a cool forest, it will not look right. To fix this, go to the top menu and select Image, then navigate to Adjustments. From here, you have two great options. You can use Color Balance to manually add more blues or oranges to your subject to match the environment. Alternatively, you can use the Match Color tool. This is a powerful automated feature where you can select your background layer as the source, and Photoshop will attempt to shift the color profile of your subject to match the background perfectly. Fine-tune the luminance and color intensity sliders until the two images look like they were photographed in the same light. This extra step is what separates beginners from professionals. Take a look at your composition as a whole. You have successfully taken two separate images and unified them into a single cohesive scene. By using masks and soft brushes, you have avoided the destructive editing that ruins many projects. And that is it. You have successfully blended your picture with the background using professional masking techniques and color adjustment tools. If this video helped you understand the process better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We have plenty more Photoshop tips and tricks coming your way to help you master digital editing. Thank you for watching and stay creative.